So this is how you can fix Facebook Lite when something goes wrong. So basically, some people get this problem where they get a notification and it says something went wrong. So how do you fix it? Well, the easiest fix that you can do right now is one of these two things. So I'll be showing you the first one, which is going to the App Store and going to the Facebook Lite app. So once you're there, well, actually, this is the original Facebook app, but let's just pretend it's the Facebook Lite. Once you're there, you might see a button called Update. So you're going to want to tap on that to update your Facebook. What this will do is basically it clears all of the bugs that may be causing this problem, and now it's going to fix it and we can try again. So if you updated it, you can go on ahead and check if the problem still persists. And if it does, one thing you can do, or the last thing that you can do, is pretty much just hold on to it and then tap on remove. This will delete your app. You're going to want to tap on delete app, and it's going to delete all the kinds of data in your Facebook. But don't worry, it's not going to delete any kind of important details. It's just going to delete the app itself, and then you can download it back once you open up the Facebook app over here in the App Store. Tap on download and then sign back in, and you're good to go. It should be fresh and good as new, and you can use it without any problems. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.